Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 4 places that you can go to do niche research for your low content products. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, have you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Hey guys, in this particular part of the video we're going to be looking at Amazon, and we're going to be looking at keyword research and the places that I go to do my research before I put in my low content books. Okay, so let's go check it out. Alright, now over here obviously you have Amazon KDP. Now I want to just show you something. I'm going to just type in the word sketchbook. I'm going to hit that, and what you're currently looking at right now is called AMZ Suggestion Expander for Chrome. Now over here on the right hand side, where you see the white section just here, that is in fact the ordinary search results that you would get if you just had Amazon on its own. But with this particular one, it also gives you the keywords before the word sketchbook and the various things you can choose from, and these ones are keywords after the word sketchbook, and these ones here are others that you might want to consider. And the good part about that is it allows you to be able to have a look at the various options that they can do. Now let's say for example you want to choose something that say A, see what it comes up with, nothing, but you can just go like that and it'll tell you the ones before as well as after and others. So this one here is called AMZ Suggestion Expander. It is a Chrome extension, and I do believe it's free, and all you have to do is get it and pop it onto your website, onto your Chrome, and you will have it there. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Now the next one we're going to be looking at is called KDP SEO Bot. Now KDP SEO Bot is in fact another Chrome extension, but it's one that you need to click on here and it will bring up a separate window. Now we're going to be typing in the word sketchbook. I'll use the same keyword all the way through just so that you can get a good comparison. We'll go over here to suggestion, and then we go click suggestion, keyword suggestion. Now this also has an analyzer right here. So this one here, it says Sketchbook Pro, so you can click on that. And you can see over here the competition is 31. So you've got 31 people looking, or 31 people who actually have this in there. So this might be one you might consider using because it's got low competition. This one here is another one that has low competition, Sketchbook Notebook for drawing and doodling. Click on that. So it's got low competition as well. And you can go here, you can go deep SEO scan, but I think this one here may well be for paid members. So, but you can go over here and you can just choose one. See, for example, notebook for, okay, sketchbook notebook for drawing. Okay, so let's click on this one. And as you can see, 903 competition. So you might not want to go that way because it's a little bit too big with the competition wise. So you want to have a look through here and just choose the ones that are more suitable for what your needs are. And then you can use that instead. And as you can see, you can just analyze the various words, which will help you to make a decision, an informed decision, as to the type of keywords you might want to use. So let's now go have a look at the next one. Now this particular one is called SelfPublishing Titles. Now these guys are fantastic. I absolutely love this site. I do believe they're free, and they do have some free tools that you can go straight to from their website. And as you can see, you've got English KDP YouTube channels that talk about Amazon and talk about low content publishing. And look, I'm even on there. How good is that? And you can go through and have a look at the various ones that are there. You got ones in Arabic, and you got Bengali, Polish, French, and so forth. English KDP Facebook groups. I don't have one of those, but there you go. You can have a look through there, and you might want to choose to join up in some of those. But they also have a Chrome extension, which is amazing. Let me just turn this Chrome extension on. Just go here. I've got two of these little ones here. I'm just going to turn them both on. Now this will take a minute to warm up, so I'll just pause the video until then, and once it's warmed up we can continue moving forward, and I can show you how it works. Okay, now we're back. Let's have a look at this particular one. Let's type in the word sketchbook again, and as you can see we have the Self-Publishing Titles one come up. Now this one gives you the suggestions from Amazon themselves, as well as the words before, but have a look at the additional Amazon suggestions. This one is massive. It gives you so many more suggestions, and this one will help you out no end as to the type of things you could be looking for on this particular site. You can also take it across further and have a bit of a better look and see what other suggestions they have. You've also got video tutorials and so forth. Click on there and you can have a look at the various video tutorials on YouTube. Okay, we have one more to look at and then we'll be finished. So this is a bit of a short video today, so let's go check it out. Okay, so for those of you who have been watching my videos for a while know that I'm an avid fan of BookBolt, and let me show you why. Now I've typed in the word sketchbook, as you can see, and down here you can see all the different words. Now over here you've got Amazon search volume, you've got Google search volume, cost per click, as well as competition. Now the ones you really need to be concerned about are these two plus this one here. I mean, unless you're doing, pay per click, this one probably isn't really relevant. So you can have a look at the various things. This one's got Amazon search volume, but it has high competition. And as you scroll through, you can have a look at, okay, Autodesk Sketchbook. You can have a research of what that is, what it even is. But as you can see, it's got 908. And then you've got low competition, 165,000 searches on Google alone, and it still has low competition. As you scroll through, you can have a look at other ones, and as you can see, there are a lot of high competition ones, and that's to be expected with the word sketchbook. But then you got Sketchbook Pro, which is 301, but then you got 33,100 from just Google searches alone, and this one gives you low competition, which is fantastic. And as you saw on the other one, it was really only 31 people were looking for it, so that's pretty good. So as you can scroll through, you can go have a look at the next page, and you can have a look and just compare. Now over here you also have most frequent keywords, and there are a lot of keywords here as well you can choose from, and these are fantastic. Now while we're here, you can also have a look over here. We also have category finders, you've got book scout, you've got a whole bunch of different things here. I mean, the good part about BookBolt is you have got so many different things you can do. And I'll leave a link above in one of the cards. You can have a look at those to have a look at some of the other videos that I've created for that. Okay guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share? And if you know of anywhere else that you can do good keyword research for your low content books, why not leave a comment down below and let us know a bit more about it. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.